Welcome back to another YouTube episode. Same badge, being a Toyota, but we got the trusty old Hilux. 3 items going on this Hilux today is the Utemaster Load-Lid, the Brown Davis 150 litre long range tank, and we are fitting the carbon off-road winch into the factory bull bar. Let's watch what the boys do. Day 2 on Conrad's Hilux. We have the factory bar off, ready for the winch to drop in. Ryan's done all the cabling for the winch, so it's just a matter of bolting it all together, slipping it back on, and happy days. Down the back here, the Utemaster Load-Lid is sitting on. You can put 200 kilos on top of this and it still lifts up. That's fantastic.
That's pretty good.
As well as sealing the tub off so you can keep all your stuff dry underneath.
There you go. Alright guys, we have finished Conrad's Hilux. So to give you a complete rundown of what we've done on this car, we've removed the factory Toyota bar and acquired the Toyota fit kit and cradle to suit the carbon winch, and we've basically bolted it all in there, and here we are. In this we've also done the in-cab controls, which is a BAW standard, so he can push the buttons all in the dash and operate it from the driver's seat. This has a nice flip up number plate bracket as well to hide everything in behind to make it all look nice and factory neat. Heading down the back. Alright, at the back of this Hilux we have the Utemaster Load-Lid. This is a really cool piece of equipment. So when it is closed, you can put up to 200 kilos on the back of it, sitting across this deck. Now, you can also store things nice and dry. We've got seals all around the edges inside the tub as well. So, say you've got something a little bit bigger inside the tub that the ute lid won't actually close down on top. They do have a little strut here that clips into the side to stop the lid from opening completely or shutting completely on the item that you've got in there. It's a really cool feature. Final addition to Conrad's Hilux. Up underneath is the Brown Davis fuel tank, so 150 litres or 145 litre usable. We take the factory tank out, we put the new tank in, and he can drive further and not have to worry about fuel issues. That basically wraps up Conrad's Hilux. We've done a few bits and pieces to it, makes it a bit more usable. Make sure you guys like and subscribe on the YouTube channel. Follow along for any updates, builds, and anything else you want to see, drop them in the comments below.